Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a iPhone X here. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card. Very, very easy. Go ahead and get your ejection tool. If you don't have like this little ejection tool, what you can use is like a back of a stud earring or like a thin paper clip as well. So go ahead and find that little tray, which is right here on the side. Go ahead and press in, and the tray should eject out like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to get my little SIM card right here. And what you want to do is you want to line it up. You can see that little slant right there on the tray. Just match it up with the SD card. So I'm going to match it up just like this, and just make sure that it's nice and flush. And then you kind of want to hold the tray and a little bit of the SIM card like this. Go ahead and grab your iPhone X and slide it in just like this, and it may take up to a minute to register. Let's wait for it. And there we go. We can see the bars and the LTE. It actually took about a minute and a half for this one to come up. So pretty simple. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.